there she is. And take a rub-a-dubs with your mamas. Have a rub-a-dubs with your mamas.
I'll cook her.
This is gonna feel so good. This is gonna feel so good. Ready? Ready? I know, it's not going back. It's not going back. You can dance.
Gus. Good girl.
You are so pretty. You are so pretty. You'll be so pretty. You'll be the prettiest girl at the dance. Prettiest girl on the dance. Yes. Doesn't that feel good?
Hey.
No, no, no. That's your girl.
Uh-huh.
You got me. You got me. This is going to be so fun. It's so fun. What buddies? What buddies? Oh, thank you. Oh, we got little bubbles. Little bubbles. Come on. Okay, yeah. Okay, come over here and grab this towel. Hand it over to me from the top.
Get her belly girl. You're fine. You're fine.
Good girl.
I'm sexy and I know it. This summer has been so hard on them. Don't you break that glass. Poor Gus. He says, I thought I was a good boy. You said I was a good boy. What a good boy, Gus Nice. Good boy. Make sure you get his tail really good too. Get his tail really good.
Just like that. That's all.
Being a good boy. What a good boy. You're a good boy.
Such a good boy. Such a good boy.
Hey, don't run away from home.
Stay here.
Good boy.
Here. Hey. Good boy.
Bye, Yumi. Good kiddos.
Good boy.
Two down, one to go. It's gonna be a little bit before we can do him. So we're just letting him run around out here in the sun and get dried up. It's gotta be 80 degrees out here, babe.
Yeah.
That's a good boy. They're gonna feel good. What a good boy. It's okay. You're fine. It's okay. That's a very good boy. You're not scared of a little water. You're not scared of a little water. Not a big boy like you. That's a good boy. That feels pretty good, huh? Feels pretty good, huh?
I'm getting dried off. I'll stay in here and clean this up. Good boy.
I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna close the deck up.
Okay.
Good boy.
Okay. That's the third dog. I'm hearing deer. It's been absolutely beautiful today. Got up close to 90 here. So the plan is Farkle will finish up his beauty routine and Joel will bring him out here. He can shake off and dry off out on the deck. It's no little chore washing 3 dogs, 2 of them being giant breeds. But it's got to be done. Y'all, another great day. That's going to be a wrap for this one. Thanks for hanging out with us. Doing a little scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Yep, like we always say, keep looking up. Say thank you. Thank you. Keep that attitude of gratitude in all things at all times. Yeah. Even when you're soaked from giving your dog a bath. Till we see you again. See you on the flip.